So in this section, we're going to begin to record our own voice so that we have something to work with. So we actually have some audio files. The first thing we need to do is make sure that our microphone is set. Now, by default, you might have the microphone on your laptop set. The microphone on your laptop isn't the best, so if you can use another microphone, it will be better. Actually, even recording into your phone would probably be better. You set which audio device is going to be set for your microphone right here by clicking on this default stereo input and choosing audio hardware. Right here, we're going to look for the default input. Mine is called the Blue Snowball. Yours might be a little bit different than mine. Once you've set that, you can hit OK. And now I need to tell Audition which track I'm recording to. I'll record here to track 1, and if I hit record, you can see now I've got my levels going up and down. You want to make sure that you don't oversaturate the microphone. Doing that, like as you can see right here, we've got a little bit of yellow, but we're not peaking. Peaking would be going into the red. Please watch your ears because I'm about to go a little bit louder here, but this is an example of peaking, which means that you're actually making the diaphragm that's recording the audio vibrate so heavily that it's pinging up against the recording device. So you want to keep it in this area right here. Once you've set this record button here, you're ready to record. To do that, you just click down here. So here we go. Hey, how's it going? I'm doing good. Hey, what was that? Oh no! Ah! Run! Okay, now we'll stop. You can see here that I've kind of pinged a little bit. So we can listen back to this by going back here and hitting the play button. Hey, how's it going? I'm doing good. Hey, what was that? All right, and in this next section, let's answer ourselves. So I'm going to go down here and record this as well. Hey, how's it going? Oh, it's going good. How are you? I'm doing good. That's great. Hey, what was that? I don't know. Oh no! Ah! Run! Okay. Ah! Okay, now we'll stop. All right.